Alright guys, welcome to the LightForge installation instructions video. So in this video I'm going to be covering how to find your download, how to download it, and how to install it in Unreal Engine. The first thing that you need to know is that you can always access your downloads from the dashboard page. So if you navigate to the dashboard page in the website and then you just go to downloads, all of your downloads should be listed in here. In my current account, I only have the PathTracer Pro downloads, but you will see LightForge will be listed in here with your downloads. So you can just click on whichever file you want to download. So make sure that you download the proper LightForge version based on which version of Unreal Engine you're using. So if you're using Unreal Engine 5.2.1, you're going to want to download that version. If you're using 5.3.2 or 5.3.1, you're going to want to download the other version, and that'll be denoted in the versions as they are here with PathTracer Pro. And we're going to be continuing to update with each new version. So LightForge 5.3.2 works with 5.3.2 or 5.3.1, just so you guys know that. And also any future versions, we're going to continue to update these with each new version of the engine, and you're going to need to download that version that matches whichever version of the engine that you're using, okay? So what you're going to be downloading is a .zip file, okay? So this is a compressed file, as you can see here. And the way that we extract these is we click on it, and then we're going to right click again. I have 7-zip, so you can go 7-zip and then extract files. Or you can also hit extract all. I believe in most Windows versions, this is an option, so you can click that as well. And that's going to give you an actual folder where we can browse the contents. And this is going to have our installation instructions in here. If we double click on that, you're going to find a link to the LightForge Resources Hub, which is going to be hosted on the website. So you can go there to find this video and some other training videos to get you up and running with LightForge. And then you're also going to find the plugin. So what we want to do to install LightForge is copy this plugin. So we're going to click on it, just this folder called LightForge, and we're going to hit Control-C, or you can right click and then go to copy. And then we're going to navigate to our Unreal Engine folder. So we're going to go to our local disk, and then we're going to go to Program Files, and then we're going to find Epic Games. And then you're going to need to navigate to whichever version of Unreal Engine you're installing this for. So I'm going to do Unreal Engine 5.3. So I'm going to double click on that. And then I'm going to go into the Engine folder. Okay. And then we're going to go into the Plugins folder. We're almost there. And now we're going to see that we have all of the plugins that we have installed for Unreal Engine listed right in here. And you can see that I actually already have LightForge installed. You won't have this LightForge folder, so all you're going to do is right click and then click on paste. And for me, I already have this installed, so I'm going to skip this. But once you have pasted this folder, now you have LightForge installed as a plugin for Unreal Engine. So all we have to do now is go to the Epic Games launcher, go to library, and then we can open up a project or we can make a new project. Okay, so I'm inside of my project, and now all we have to do is go up here to edit and then go down to plugins, and then we can just search for LightForge, and you can see it right here. And we're just going to click on this little box right here. So this is not going to be enabled for you guys. It's enabled for me because I've already installed it. So we're just going to click on that. We're going to then have to go down here and restart the engine. And once the engine has restarted, all we have to do is go up here to Window, and then we can go down here and we have LightForge right here. And so we'll click on that, and it's going to open it up as its own window right here. So what I like to do, you can move this anywhere you want. If you have multiple screens, you can move this over to another screen if you want. I like to dock it right here next to my world outliner. And now we can easily optimize our scene very quickly and set these important functions, and we're pretty much good to go. And then if we want to render, we can go up here, find our sequence, click on render, and we have our render passes loaded up already directly from LightForge. So now we can click a render pass, choose our file output path, and we can render the scene right away, and we're good to go. So hopefully that installation guide was helpful for you guys. I will continue to update this video if there are changes in the future to how Unreal Engine works with plugins, or if there's anything that needs to be updated. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and thanks for watching.